my channel, Lulu Live. I was going to make a video, a different kind of video, and I've been thinking about what can I do videos on, like new ideas and everything, and I really want to do something different that can reach out to more people, not just, you know, the kind of people that wear makeup and stuff. But I got my mail today after work when I got home, and inside is this Ipsy package, and I was like, I got an Ipsy package, I have to do a video on the Ipsy. Anyway, so I have my Ipsy bag. I'm gonna open it up with you and go through it with you. I just want to let you know ahead of time that I did break up. Call it a breakup. I broke up with Ipsy again. Maybe the last time, I don't know yet, but I just put my account up. Was when I first got Ipsy, I kind of liked it. I mean, I can't say I really liked it, but I liked that it was cheap, it was affordable. It's really just it's only $10 a month, and then with tax it's $10.66. I want to say that's the figure, probably is. And I'm not gonna check my statements right now, but I'm pretty sure it's $10.66 with tax. It's $10 plus tax, wherever you are, you know, in the United States. So anyway, I thought it was cool. I had been a member of another subscription box that had, out of the blue, just fell apart, closed up, nothing. Like, no one was told anything. Like, none of the customers, like myself, were informed ahead of time, so they just ate up all of our money. And anyway, this isn't about that company. I don't want to even mention their name. I really don't want to remember them, but I did. So that was why I joined Ipsy originally, was to learn more about makeup and cosmetics and products and things like that. Like, I tried arguing with them about last month's package, about how unhappy I was with it on their Facebook, you know, last month in December, on the Facebook page for Ipsy. I complained about it, and they were like, well, you could always change your preferences, and I'm like, I've already done that. I can't, you know, there's nowhere in your preferences where you can say, don't send me makeup that smells like spray or whatever, but don't send me products that smell disgusting. Like, don't send me products that smell really gross, that taste really gross, that I don't even know why. Like, it's not, there's nothing in the preferences that say that. And the funny thing to me is, I have at least one, I know one of my friends who also gets Ipsy felt the same way. I don't want to name names, but one of my friends agreed with me that it was disgusting. So, but there's nowhere in your preferences you could say that. And I had already changed my preferences before, and I did all that extra stuff in the past when I decided I was gonna, like, when I decided to break up with them the first time. So this is my second time. I'm just gonna take a 3-month hiatus from Ipsy. I don't know if I'm gonna join again. I might take that extra money and put it towards Boxy Lux. I really don't know, to be honest. I really don't know. But let me open up this package with you and go over it, and I will explain to you what in this bag led me to say it really is it. Like, I've been patient and I've been trying, but it's it. Like, there are, don't get me wrong, there are products and brands in here that they share with you or put in your Ipsy bags, but the ones that, I mean, it's disgusting. There's nowhere in your preferences that put that in there. Like, come on now. So it usually comes in a pink package. I forget which holiday it was, but I think I got gold, some other color. But usually it's this pink, hot pink, I don't know what you call this, but it's pink. I think it's pink. So I'm gonna open it up, hiding my address part from you, you don't need to see it. And this is the bag for January. It actually looks like beachy. I don't understand. It's beachy, it looks like the beach. Doesn't this remind you of summer? So first off, I don't know, maybe I'm missing something. It doesn't really say January to me, it doesn't say winter. Maybe if I was in a hot place like Florida or something, I don't know. Sorry, I'm just scraping the buzz off of the back of it. So inside you get a postcard. It says, welcome to our best year yet. And new year, more products, more focus on you. January 2019, hashtag Ipsy recharge. And some other things. Also able to add 3 extra samples. I don't remember having the ability to do this one this time, but the last time when they first did it in December, you actually got an email. I don't know. I really don't care anymore about Ipsy, to be honest. And these are the reasons why. First off, doing it on occasion, but I just don't wear eyeliner. Definitely not going to be wearing this one. I will definitely give it away. I don't even want to open it. And I'm sure it's a nice product, but it's just not me. This is supposed to be catered to me. This company or any other company, you know, subscription company that makes these bags for people, beauty bags, beauty boxes, these monthly things and whatever, you're supposed to be catering to your customers' needs and what suits them most. And this does not. I'm sure somebody out there who actually knows how to use it will like it. I just don't. But I will tell you what it is. It's from a company called London. I don't know. But, you know, it's cute, but it's just not me. And it says, sorry, I'm having trouble reading this. It's like, text is weird. That's where I draw the line. And it is based in the UK. It's waterproof, lash enhancing eyeliner in shade Carbon Black. If you want to know more about it, check it out online. I don't want to open it because I don't want to ruin it for somebody when I give it away to somebody. I may enjoy felt tip liquid eyeliners. It just serves me no purpose. I'm sorry. Let's see what else is in here. Skip the nail polish first. When I looked online at my spoiler alert for my Ipsy bag, I noticed the eyeshadow they gave me, the color is pretty much the same as every other color they send. All the colors are always the same, and I know like it may complement my skin and my eye color and everything, but there's more to just one color that will complement my eyes and my skin. This is an eyeshadow. I think there's like a theme of London or something. I don't know. But this is Ella Eden London eyeshadow, and the color is called Julia. It's kind of shimmery. I think I'm gonna try this. But the color again is just very similar. It's just it smells interesting. But this is the color. It is pretty. Probably could use this as a highlighter. It's very creamy, but let me show you close up. This is the Ico felt tip eyeliner, and then I have Ella Eden London eyeshadow, and I just stuck my finger in it. Sorry, I'm not trying to give you the finger. Isn't it pretty? Like, it would make a really nice highlighter, or maybe eyeshadow base or something. It's pretty, but yeah, it's pretty. But I feel like it's the same. It's very creamy though. I mean, I like it, but I just feel like this is what the color looks like. They just keep giving you the same stuff. It's not exciting anymore. And then, I'm just gonna sit here. We have, I like Tarte. They give you a travel size Amazon Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation. It has SPF 15 in it. I think I'm allergic to sunscreen and sunblock, so I can't wear this, but I would definitely give it away. I'm not opening it up. But normally I do love Tarte. I just can't wear this one. And the shade is in Fair Sand. I'm not going to open it up because I can't wear it. And I think that's another reason why I was unhappy. But there's nowhere you could put that. And then I got a chapstick from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. I didn't even know they had cosmetics there. I live in New Jersey. And it's Star Mint Glossy Balm, coconut oil, sunflower oil, peppermint, vitamin E, rosemary, and some other thing. Pretty natural. It's from New Jersey, that's pretty cool. So that's this. I mean, that's cool, but like, it's not worth it. It really isn't. It's not worth it. Let's see what it's like. Oh. Smells familiar. Kind of like smells like double mint gum. I like that. But it's, I mean, it's cool, but like, the whole thing should be more exciting. I'm sorry. And then, lastly, I got a nail polish from Nail Medic. Can you see it? And it says it's rosehip and green tea infused nail polish. The shade is called Rose and Chill. It nourishes and hydrates for healthier nails, enriched with green tea antioxidants. And it tells you to share, to like follow them all over the place. From prettywoman.NewYorkCity.com. Let's see the color. I mean, this is pretty. I'm just like sick of, you know, like, it's pretty though. I would probably wear this. It's like a bronzy color. It is a bronzy color. Can you see it? Let's see what it smells like. This was not tested on animals, so that's nice. I mean, it smells like nail polish. But that's cool. Definitely will use this in the future. But, I mean, it's so disappointing. Like, half the stuff I can't even use, or you know what I mean? It's like, what? Come on, Ipsy. Come on now. Like, you have to really, really, really get into your preferences. You know, work on your customers' preferences and maybe have more options for people like me who don't wear liquid eyeliner or felt tip eyeliner or whatever that is and can't use SPF. You should have that, like a comment section. I don't even know if you do or not. I don't remember, but I doubt it. Where you could put allergic to SPF, allergic to this, allergic to that. Do you have other options for people like me that are weird that can't wear certain products? The chapstick feels nice. And I mean, I honestly don't know. This already has a stain on it now from the eyeshadow, but I don't feel like this represents January. I can kind of see it, but I kind of don't see it. Like, the inside is pink. I just don't understand it. Like, do you understand it? I don't know. So, I want to say thank you again to Ipsy for sending me more makeup and things that I can't use, but some of it I can use. I mean, I feel like that's how it is with almost every other subscription thing, and I wish it wasn't like that. Like, it needs to be customized better. It really does. And I'm just not a happy camper. I'm really not. I'm not a happy camper. But, I mean, whatever. I'm just trying to figure out, I want to set this up. I'm sorry, I'm not ignoring you. I'm just not happy with it. Thank you all again for tuning in to my channel, Lulu Live. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me. Click on the notification bell near the subscribe button somewhere over here or over here. So every time I post a new video, you are going to be alerted. Yes. I will see you all very soon when I get my BoxyCharm box, or I don't know when, but I will see you all soon. Thank you again. Bye.